Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Soulzeal. We'll be talking today about how he/she feels about you, what are the current feelings about you, and what can be done, what kind of things can you do to improve those things in your relationship. So, this is pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. You can make your choice and click on the timestamp. Okay, for the people who've chosen pile 1, these are the past feelings, the presently what they are thinking about you, and what can be done in future. So, firstly, what they feel happened in the past has given them a lot of stress, maybe a lot of burden at that point of time, but that had been sorted out. So it feels like it has come to an end. The cycle had come to an end. The whole conflict cycle that you guys had, the whole stress cycle that you guys had, has come to an end. This past ending has led to the present situation of him feeling very connected to you, maybe feeling more like a part of your family, more like someone he can rely on, more like someone he can be good friends with. There's a lot of peace between both of you, so this is a good time for the relationship to grow between both of you, and you both feel like it's perfect for you, so he feels you are perfect for them. And if you have are been having some doubts about him, is he feeling that I'm the perfect one for him, is he having such double thoughts in his mind? So he's not having any double thoughts at this point in his mind. But yes, in the past there has been a lot of hard work that you guys might have put in to come to this place of perfection in your relationship. I feel the past damage which has been done has caused a betterment in your relationship, and it has picked up your relationship from the negative point and put it to a more positive and a more completion place, a place where you both feel completed with each other. Maybe he feels like you are someone who complete him, who can be a good partner, who can be someone who brings joy to him. And in the future, what I see is maybe you guys, maybe both of you need to let go. Maybe there is more appreciation that is required. Maybe you guys are not appreciating each other, so maybe he feels that he doesn't feel appreciated for whatever has happened in the past, and he has put in a lot of effort for it. So maybe in the future he might get such kind of feelings where he feels you are not appreciating him, you are not letting go of whatever has happened in the past, and you're still holding on to your past. These kind of things could come to in his mind in the future, so maybe you guys have to start working on it. Maybe if you want to improve this relationship with this person, you might want to work on these small things, so that the distance in your relationship does not grow, and this phase of your relationship so that this phase of your relationship just stays, it is not moving ahead. If you guys want this relationship to stay here, maybe you want to work on letting go of whatever has caused those kind of conflicts in your life. Maybe there has been some problems in a relationship. Every relationship has problems, so maybe you guys need to work on these problems and set the things straight between your relationship, and maybe make them realize, make them feel that they're appreciated for whatever they have done for you and this relationship. Maybe they feel a little special. Maybe currently at this point of time this is happening, that's why you both are into a more positive relationship. But in the future, what I see, if you want to be in this phase, in this point in your relationship, you have to add on some kind of appreciation, some kind of letting go, some kind of positivity into this relationship, which currently, yes, you are having, but make them feel a little special. Maybe it could be something like something as small as making something they like, or just taking them to a place where they like going. Maybe do something which makes them feel appreciated in this relationship, so that in the future also they would not have these kind of thoughts ki, oh, she is not appreciating me, she has forgotten what has happened in the past, and maybe whatever effort I have put in it doesn't count anymore. So maybe make them feel a little appreciated once, and they will be good to do with it. And I think maybe you have to make your partner feel like you love them. Maybe say I love you, maybe do something special treats for them, or maybe just make them feel special. Any ways you can do it. Maybe whatever they like, you can do anything they like for them. And once you start making them feel special, I think the future issues would actually be sorted out. And I have a message card for you as well. So the message card here says, I maintain a regular meditation practices. I go within to reflect and find ideas, insights, and inspirations. I am conscious of repetitive thought patterns and focus on what I want in my life. My thoughts are in alignment with the reality I want to create. So what reality do you want to create? Okay, so focus on what kind of a relationship would you want to create. Do you want your relationship to be like it was in your past, or maybe the way it is in your present? So if you want to remain in the present state, maybe you have to work on the alignment. You have to align your relationship. Maybe you have to make him feel more special and do things which, and forget about the past. Okay, so there are things where you are thinking about the past continuously, so maybe that's why there is a thought of repetitive thoughts, patterns, and focus. So do not focus on what has happened in the past. Focus on what you want to create in your life. Create energies around what you want in your life, how you want your relationship to be. So I would recommend you guys to focus all your energies on the positive ones and meditate on these positive thoughts. Bring those positive thoughts into your relationship if you want this relationship to get and stay better as it is currently, which is what I feel. So if you want this relationship to remain in this phase only, then you have to work on it and meditate and maybe give them more positive energies, make them feel special. Whatever you can do from your end, please go ahead and do that. So this is what I have for you, pile number 1. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, for the people who have chosen pile number 2, these are your cards. So what I feel here is, this person have in the past you might have had kind of conflicts where you both would have taken a stand for yourself, or maybe he feels that you have taken a stand for yourself, or maybe he has taken a stand for himself or herself. So I feel there has been conflicts in the past which has caused you guys to take a stand against each other, or maybe against other people. Maybe you guys have had some kind of conflicts in which you might have taken stand against the world, right? Kind of a thing. So maybe a family member or some friend might have said something, and then he might have taken a stand for you, or she might have taken a stand for you. So I feel it is around this person taking a stand. So the past memory which he at this point of time thinking about is, he is taking stand for you all the time, or she's taking a stand for you all the time. They are feeling that they have been taking a stand for you in the past, and they have stood by you whenever you have required it, or whenever you needed it, or maybe they just feel that they have been justifying you a lot of times, or maybe they have been standing with you at all point of time. Could be a thing. So I feel in the past this person has been with you and has stood by you, and this point in present situation, what he is thinking about you is majorly he or she is having some kind of new feelings. It could be, there could be some kind of enjoyment, there could be some kind of joy in this feeling. I feel they might feel that you being there in their life is making them happy out of nowhere. Even when the things are going bad, they feel happy just being around you. They feel excited just being around you. They feel you are some kind of a ray of hope in their life, a ray of happiness, something which brings joy to them, something which gives them happiness, which doesn't even have an answer to why this happiness have come to their life. So they feel very happy around you. They feel that you light up the mood. So you light up the air around the room. It could be more like maybe you guys connect very well with each other, and you talk to each other on a very light mode, and you feel like, okay, this is so nice talking to you. They feel uplifted talking to you. It feels like a breeze of fresh air to them. I feel these kind of feelings are currently in his mind, in his or her mind. And I feel this is the current situation, and where this is going in the future looks like more like dreams could come true for you both. So if you have been dreaming of asking this person out, or maybe even if you have been thinking of anything, maybe have a relationship with this person, or maybe talk about something ahead of a relationship, all these things are coming true. I feel you can do whatever you want. You can go and ask them whatever you feel like. I think these kind of things are really going to be good for you. You can move ahead in this relationship with them. I feel it's more about both of you understanding each other. At this point of time, the understanding phase is really good. I feel you both understand each other in a very balanced way. You both are very related to each other. You can relate with what he's saying, and he or she can relate with what you are saying. So there is a good kind of balanced relationship I see. Even in the future, I feel you both could be interested in moving this relationship ahead from what it is at this point of time. And you guys should just ask. So what I want you to do is just ask for what you want this relationship, where do you want this relationship to go, and just take action over it. You do not have to just sit and wait. Now this is a time of action for you, so you have to go and do what you feel at this time. You want to take this relationship to whatever phase in your life, just go ahead and do it, because this is a good time in the future which is coming for you, for taking this relationship from where it is right now to where you want it to. Okay, and I have a message for you as well. I realize my fullest potential spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and physically. I see the patterns in my life and follow the course towards higher knowledge. I approach life creatively by thinking outside the norm. A rainbow of light and positive energy expands my consciousness. So you are the rainbow of light and positivity in his life. So you bring that rainbow of light in his life, and he feels the breeze of it. It's like he flows with you kind of energy. So I feel this is a very good, a positive relationship we are talking about here, a very strong and a positive relationship. So I feel go ahead and do whatever you want with this relationship. Go ahead, take your next step. This is the right time for it. Thank you for watching the video, pile 2, and I'll ask you guys to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch similar videos. Thank you so much. Okay. For the people who've chosen pile number 3, okay, what I feel for you is you guys already have a very strong bond. You guys both are deeply in love with each other. You feel like you are soulmates. You have a very, very deep bond is what I see. What has happened in the past has made you fall deeply in love with each other, could also be a thing. Or maybe you guys have already proposed each other for something, for like being in a relationship, or you are already in love with each other is also what I see. It feels like you guys have a very strong bond at this and the past, which has come across as a very strong bond, and in the present also, which I see what he's feeling about you. He is feeling like you are the person who brings him joy, who is a part of his family. You are the person he feels a connection with. You are the person he feels intimacy with. You are the person he wants in his life. You are the person he wants to take to his family and make you meet his family. You are the person he wants to move in with. So have this trust in this relationship, because this is going to go a long way for you guys. And yes, you guys are deeply connected as well, is what I feel. So just give each other a lot of positive energies and a lot of feel of a connection, a very strong connection that you guys hold with each other, a soul connection that you guys hold with each other. You already are making him very happy. You already are making him feeling like you are wanted in his life. So yes, this is a very positive thing for both of you at this point of time. And in the future, okay, so what I feel in the future is a lot of sexual energy is also coming in. So yes, I feel you both will be inseparable in future is what I see. Yes, I think which is a very very good thing, to be inseparable from each other and feeling such a strong connection that you do not find yourself complete without him. So I would recommend, okay, so love is a very very important part of our lives, but it is not our life. Yes, I feel a very strong connection, but do not make that strong connection make him or her feel a little trapped. Do not make him or her feel that you're taking away their freedom. So keep that kind of a space in between, so that they do not feel that they are trapped in the future also. They feel that they can express whatever they want, they can do whatever they want, they are not trapped with you. They could feel that they are connected to you, but they could also feel that they have their own life, they have their own freedom with them. They are not trapped in this relationship. They are free to do whatever they want to do in this relationship. They should not feel powerless. So if you are, don't make them feel you're clinchy. Okay, so if you make them feel that you're clinchy, they might want to run away from you. So do not do things like that which will make them run away from you. Give each other freedom, give each other some kind of space, so it doesn't come out as you are stopping him from doing something or making him powerless or taking away his freedom. So these things I think you should note for your future. And for the message that has come across for you, I feel and know the presence of the divine within and around me. I see beyond the mask, and the spiritual essence in all life is evident to me. The interconnectedness of the sun, stars, planets, insects, animals, and beyond is integrated into my being. So I feel you feel that connection with everything, not just with him. Try and feel the connection with everything and everyone, because you're connected with everything. It's just not him that you're connected with. Okay, so you're connected with the divine as well. So feel that connection. Try and meditate over this connection. Feel the connection in your crown with the divine, because we are connected with the divine through our crown chakra, right? So I feel you should meditate focusing on your crown. This will give you some kind of insights into whatever problems, if you encounter any in your relationship. So if you have feeling that your relationship is going a little stagnant, might give you some kind of thoughts which might help you. So I feel you have to explore this connection with divine as well. At this point of time, it's a good time to explore your connection with the divine and explore your connection with everything around you, not just with him. So stop focusing just on one person and explore your connection with other people and other beings around you. So I think this is what is currently coming for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel.